Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili dip. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef or turkey, a 15-ounce can of chili beans, and an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. Don't forget a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This dip is perfect for any gathering. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure it's fully cooked through. Once the meat is nicely browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy dip. Then, stir in the 15-ounce can of chili beans without draining them directly into the meat mixture. This forms the hearty base of our chili dip. With our meat and beans ready, it's time to assemble the dip. First, take your 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese and spread it evenly across the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This creates a wonderful creamy layer. Next, carefully spoon the warm meat and chili bean mixture over the cream cheese, spreading it out gently. Finally, top this with the 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, distributing them evenly for a burst of flavor. Almost there. Now, generously sprinkle about 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese over the entire top layer of your dip. This will melt into a golden, gooey crust. Place your baking dish into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and lightly browned. Serve hot with your favorite tortilla chips or crackers. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to an amazing new e-reader and more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.